I'm in the van with him.
With him?
Yeah.
Are you driving or is he?
Hello.
Is he driving?
Yeah, he's driving. This is me.
Hey,
Can you
let my friend out? Can you let my friend out? Oh shit! That dude's got a gun. Yo, fuck you, bitch.
I see a. There's two dudes.
I see a bus. I'm gonna go for it.
Yeah, I can't make it to it. Oh, there's another guy.
You're right next to me.
No, there's another guy trying to get it. Yo, get the butts. Wait up!
Wait, man. Let me.
No, get out! He's got a friend.
Yo, he's about to run us over.
Yeah, I know.
We should have just stayed in there. What's the worst that could happen? We
His
stopped
friend
him.
was coming out with a gun.
Oh, how did he have a gun?
They looted the building behind us. It's only a bus, though. They can't. Oh,
they can definitely outrun us.
Oh,
here he comes. He doesn't have a gun. Oh!
Hey, let me in.
Alright, where you guys want to go?
Yeah, I say we just like forfeit this round and make them lose.
I'm taking us off of a cliff.
Yo, go as far away from anything as you can. We're going on a trip, boys!
We're going on a trip in our favorite rocket ship.
Going through the sky.
Little Einsteins. What's
Be in the game?
Yeah.
Alright.
What's the magic school bus? Seatbelts, everyone.
Cruising on down the highway. Do.
Oh no! Yo, beat the shit out of him.
Yo, let's go find guns.
Alright, I'm at the car.
I'm heading there now. Let's go. Yo, drive true.
You gotta play the music for me. Oh, who doesn't know the lyrics now?
Fuck yeah! You know we're still in the hot zone, right? Yo, get us to La Polka.
There's a car.
Yo, hold it steady. Oh, I hit one.
Alright, we're behind them. Shoot their tires out. Oh, what the fuck? Shoot! Shoot!
It won't let me!
Shoot!
It won't let me!
Shoot!
Yo, I don't have that much ammo.
Alright.
Hold it steady,
It's hard. It's hard when they're turning.
What the? I'm out. Oh, fuck, bad idea!
One super. Oh, I thought you were still up. I knocked.
Get in the business. Oh, I got your follow-up.
Alright. Alright, never mind.
This dude took one step. This dude took one step to the building.
I wish you could have seen. He like shot me through.
Oh!